The top three ways to study math facts for me is Dreambox on a Kindle. It's a good way to study math facts because it is educational. Second, Partner Quiz. This is a good way to study math facts because whenever you get one wrong, you can work on it. Arrays. This is a good way to study math facts because it helps you learn math facts. Why? Because they are the best ways to study math facts. Process. First, we did criteria, then we graded math facts, then we did our top 3 ways to study math facts.